Hi guys, so here's a quick tip for those who worried that after oiling their machine, the oil will drop on a shirt. What I did, I took a hoop that I never use. It's just there, useless. So I took a piece of cutaway stabilizer, piece of fabric, scrap of fabric, and after oiling machine, I just do very simple design, which is this, and those are programmed in your machine, so it's so easy. It takes literally a few seconds, and it will, when machine starts working, it will get rid of the excess oil. All the oil will stay on the hoop. And that's it. It's that simple.